Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can make free Minecraft server for Java 26.1. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open a browser, then you just need to write Aternos and click on Aternos link here. Then you need to press play, and if you don't have an account, you just need to press sign up and give it your basically create a username, agree terms of service and privacy policy, press sign up. And then you will have an account here. Then go ahead and press on create server. Then you can change the name if you want to here. You can select the handle and select a Bedrock or Java Edition. So in my case, it will be Java Edition. So I will press create. And then you just need to press skip until you end up on this window here. Then you can go to options. You can change game mode, difficulty, and a bunch of different things here. If you want to, it's up to you. And then also if we go to software, then we can change our thing here. So we can change to vanilla 26.1. Also, you can select, for example, if you want to modded version of your server, you can select Fabric and select 26.1 as well. If you want to, you can upload worlds, you can give access to other people, and a bunch of different options for you. And if you want to enable your server, all you need to do here is to go to servers here and press start, wait for a couple of seconds, and then you need to watch an ad first. And once it's live, then you will see your link of your server here. You can copy, and then you just need to open up Minecraft Launcher and open up Java Edition. Then just need to go to multiplayer, and then you just need to add server, give it names, for example, test, and then server address here. Press done, and as you can see here, now we'll join in the server. In this case, it will be survival mode, but if you want to change, for example, what you need to do here is to simply go back to your server, go to players, then here you will see the players, for example you, and then you can make yourself operator, right? And once you make yourself an operator, you can change game modes and a bunch of different things. And then if we go back on the game and select press T and select right game mode creative, you can see now it's creative mode. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.